Sugar is present in practically all places we look.
But few people know what happens before those white crystals reach our kitchens. What seems like a simple ingredient depends on massive industrial machines. Every year, hundreds of millions of tons of sugarcane are processed globally. Most people only know the beginning and the end of this journey.
The first major transformation begins long before any crystal is visible.
Huge trucks arrive at the mill, loaded with freshly harvested sugarcane stalks. A giant mechanical crane lifts tons of cane from the truck bed. The stalks are dropped into a massive hopper to begin processing. Dust and debris fly as the heavy stalks are moved along.
The sugarcane is washed to remove soil and field residue.
The clean stalks are fed into heavy-duty industrial shredders.
These machines chop the tough stalks into small, fibrous pieces. Shredding increases the surface area, making juice extraction much easier. The shredded cane moves rapidly along a wide conveyor belt. It is now ready for the heavy crushing mills. Massive rollers crush the fibrous cane under immense pressure. This crushing action squeezes out the sweet, raw sugarcane juice. The dark green juice flows into collection channels below the rollers. The leftover dry fiber, called bagasse, is separated from the liquid. This bagasse will be used as fuel to power the factory.
Much of the economic value is dissolved in this raw juice.
But this liquid never appears in supermarkets in this raw state.
The raw juice is loaded with natural impurities and plant fragments. It must undergo a rigorous purification and clarification process.
Lime and heat are added to precipitate the impurities.
The mixture flows into large clarifiers, where impurities settle to the bottom. clear, light-colored juice is drawn off from the top of the tanks.
To concentrate the sugar, the excess water must be removed.
The juice enters a series of massive industrial evaporators.
Under vacuum, the liquid boils at lower temperatures to prevent burning. Water vapor rises, leaving behind a thick, sweet syrup. This syrup is much closer to the final sugar product. The thick syrup is transferred to vacuum pans for crystallization.
Tiny sugar crystals are added as seeds to start the process.
As the syrup concentrates further, sugar molecules build upon the seeds.
This process requires extremely controlled temperature and pressure conditions.
Slowly, a dense mixture of crystals and molasses, called massicrete, forms. The massicrete is fed into high-speed centrifugal machines. Spinning rapidly, the centrifuge forces the liquid molasses out through screens. The solid sugar crystals are retained inside the spinning basket. A fine spray of water washes the crystals to remove remaining molasses. The result is pure, damp, white sugar crystals. Even after separation, the sugar crystals still carry surface moisture. The damp sugar is fed into large rotary dryers.
Warm air flows through the dryer, removing the remaining moisture.
The dried sugar is then cooled to prevent clumping during storage. The dry, free-flowing sugar is now ready for packaging.
Automated machines fill bags of various sizes with precise amounts. The bags are sealed and moved along conveyor belts. Robotic arms stack the bags onto pallets for shipping.
What began as a fibrous plant is now a standardized product.
Ready to be shipped to kitchens and factories worldwide.
A testament to the power of modern industrial food processing.